Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, the Elevate Performance Track Evo build is well and truly underway. In the last video you saw we installed the Mishimoto front mount intercooler kit and the Turbo Smart blow valve. So tonight I just received my HYPERTUNE exhaust manifold from Speed Racing, so thanks Charles for hooking that up. I'll just do a quick close-up video tonight and I'll do an install video later on in the week. So if you want to see the install video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, just thought I'd do a quick video on a HYPERTUNE Evo 8 exhaust manifold. If you haven't seen one before, up close. Absolutely high quality. The welds, the bends, they've actually ported and polished the exhaust manifold. Yeah, very happy with it.